This is REALME GT6T, and today I'll show how you can troubleshoot the incoming phone call receptivity issues on this device. First, I suggest that you make sure that both airplane and do not disturb modes are switched off. So let me find both of them here real quick. Yep. So the easiest, the quickest way to check is to launch the control panel. First, look for the airplane mode icon, and if it is blue, that means that it is activated, so switch it off. And the same goes for the do not disturb mode as well. If that didn't help, you can launch your device's settings, enter the mobile network category, then here select the SIM card you are experiencing those problems with, and at the SIM info and settings page, try switching off both VoLTE calls and Wi-Fi calling features to see if it will get you anywhere. Then I suggest that you take your SIM card out of the phone and clean its contact side with a cloth like this one, preferably, or well, ideally, if you will, dip this cloth in some kind of ethanol or alcohol, or well, just general electronics friendly cleaning liquid will do just fine. And if that will not solve your issues either, I reckon you contact your carrier or mobile operator directly, since at this point the issue most probably lays on their end rather than yours. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.